The Data+AI Summit is back. This is a global community event that gathered data professionals and visionaries from more than 160 countries. This year, the event takes place from the 15th to the 18th of June in San Francisco at the Moscone Center. This is a unique opportunity to connect with over 25,000 data professionals and leaders and learn from more than 800 sessions around different topics like governance, GenAI, data warehousing, data engineering, cybersecurity, and much more. You can also enjoy the conferences with amazing speakers such as Ali Godsi, Matej Zaharia. If you're planning to attend in person, I have a 50% discount code for you. And if you can't make it in person to San Francisco, you can still register for the online webinars. Make sure to join us. This is a unique opportunity. This is the biggest Data+AI conference. And see you soon in San Francisco.
Welcome back, everyone, to the Databricks Data+AI Summit.
Databricks co-founder and CEO, Ali Godsi.
See you soon.